Looking to lock a WhatsApp chat on your Android phone? Adding a lock to your WhatsApp chats boosts your security and keeps your conversations safe from unauthorized access. This feature ensures your sensitive messages remain private. Let's dive into how to set it up. Open WhatsApp, then go to the chat you want to lock. Now tap the contact's name at the top. Scroll down and toggle on Chat Lock. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. So tap Continue or Confirm. You can either enable Lock this chat with fingerprint or use your PIN to lock the chat. Choose your preferred method and set it up with your fingerprint or PIN. Once the chat is locked, it will be moved to a hidden locked chats folder in the chat list. To access it, go to your chat menu and swipe down on the chat list. You'll see the locked chats folder. If you tap on it, you'll be prompted to confirm with your fingertip or PIN. So you just have to confirm it to access your chat. And that's how you can lock your WhatsApp chats on Android. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and stay tuned for more useful tips like this. Catch you in the next tutorial.